Vision Press Production has recently become aware of an issue in Coalport Borough. The issue is delinquent per capita tax citizens who have failed to pay per capita or register their presence as a resident of the borough of Coalport. Interviewing the tax officer of Coalport Borough, the tax officer said, for 2021, there were 116 citizens who failed to pay Coalport Borough per capita taxes at a loss of $638. Further, this year 2022, the tax officer said, 115 citizens failed to pay Coalport Borough per capita taxes at a loss of $632.50. So, for the 2 years of taxation for per capita taxes due for 2021 and 2022, there is a loss of $1,270.50. For per capita tax year 2021, there were 231 bills sent to citizens or residents of Coalport Borough. For per capita tax year 2022, there were 237 bills sent to citizens or residents of the borough of Coalport 18 years old and older. There are no exemptions for per capita taxes. A matrix of per capita taxes due per year would look like. So, in 2021, the faithful per capita taxpayers who paid were 115. In 2022, the faithful per capita taxpayers who paid were 122. Therefore, half of the citizen residents 18 years old and older are paying the Coalport Borough per capita taxes. The question is this fair and equitable? The tax officer shared that he has addressed this issue with the Council of Coalport Borough in June 2022. Council ignored the issue, denying any response to the issue. The pseudo-secretary sent a United States Postal Service certified letter, wherein the basis of the content was tax problems are the tax collector's responsibility. On January 27, 2022, contact was made with Berkheimer Innovation Incorporated, a tax recovery service under contract with Coalport Borough, for the purpose of discussion of recovery matters. In 2 separate emails for 2 years of delinquent per capita tax individuals, records were sent to the agency for recovery process. Since the tax officer is certified and authorized by Coalport Borough Ordinance 194, a sanction of $50 shall be imposed upon each per capita tax delinquent for each year the per capita tax is denied payment. In addition, Berkheimer Innovation Incorporated will be applying process fees, penalties, and interest on the delinquent per capita taxes due. What will this mean? When the per capita tax at December 31st of each year is not paid, the tax due is only $5.50. The recovery agency will take the $5.50 tax due and add $50 lawfully to the unpaid amount pursuant to the Coalport Borough Ordinance penalty. The amount then is $55.50 when recovery agency will add their process fee, interest, and penalty. Regretfully, the recovery agency process system will be sending letters for possibly $75.50 for delinquent taxes due for per capita taxes. Think about the issue. If a per capita tax citizen or resident 18 years old or older would have paid the tax in April or May of the tax year, the tax would only be $4.90. Now, the delinquent taxpayer will be paying $75.50. You may say, this is not fair. Remember, the faithful per capita tax citizens or resident have been faithfully paying $4.90 at discount, or $5 at face, or $5.50 at penalty before December 31st. The delinquent taxpayer have denied payments. 2 councilors have not paid per capita taxes for 12 years without any sign of shame. One person said, "What an example of integrity." The tax officer said, according to the tax collector's manual, the tax officer is permitted to take delinquent taxpayers to the district justice under an action of suits in a subset, to the belief and knowledge of the tax officer. Respectfully, Vision Press Production.